great people, do you find it hard to save part of your income towards your financial goals? Is your expenditure more than your income? Do you have mounting credit card bills? If you do, then stay tuned as we share the 7 tips and tricks that can help you to successfully save. If you've never subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload new videos. Let's dive in. At number 1, automate your savings. By this I mean you can configure your bank account in such a way that by the moment your paycheck is received, 10% of it is automatically transferred to another savings or investment account. I'm using 10%, but as we know the needs are different, you can use whatever percentage you're comfortable with, depending on your financial objective and savings plan. At number 2, increase savings incrementally. Once you are on an automated savings plan, the best way to really build your saving is to increase those savings by 1% every 6 to 12 months. For example, if you're setting aside, let's say, 10% of your paycheck, reset it to increase by 1% to 2% the following year and every year thereafter. At number 3, save your bonuses. Send all your bonuses and money gifts to your savings account. The trick here is to rewire your brain to think of bonuses as an extra cash or extra money. Anytime you get a raise at work, you win a bonus, a cash reward, or any other type of financial gift, put it immediately to your savings or investment account. At number 4, name your savings account. This is what I mean. Give your savings account a name like, for example, my dream home. If your goal is to buy or build with the savings, or you can call it financial freedom, or you can call it Dubai vacation, if that is all you want to achieve. You might find yourself hitting your savings target more often than you thought. This kind of goal-based savings approach is also called mental accounting in behavioral finance. Number 5, make access to your funds difficult. Convenience is great, but it doesn't allow you to achieve your long-term objectives. Now, many financial institutions or investment vehicles allow you to access your capital 24/7. However, being able to access your money easily can be very dangerous for some people with bad spending habits. Now, if you have bad spending habits, what options do you have to achieve this? Now, first option is you can put a maximum withdrawal limit to it. Another approach could be very as simple as deleting the smartphone app or the shortcode you have in your phone or the web page that you use to access the account from. At number 6 is start a savings competition. Now, find friends who want to save money just like you, or a friend if you can't find friends. Then set targets and goals together for each to achieve. Compare your performance with them every week or every month, now depending on how you want to save. For example, if you're people who work and are paid weekly, then you can compare your performances weekly. But if you're saving monthly, you can compare your performances now monthly. Now, the more frequent you compare your savings, the higher your motivation to do better than your friends. Now, competition can be the best form of motivation, since you're doing this as a crew or as a group, or maybe you're doing this with your better half. So competition can be the best motivation ever. At number 7, visualize your future self. Now, research has shown that creating mental image of yourself doing something actually shapes your brain processes, much in the same way doing something does. Visualizing yourself as a great saver who achieves their financial goals can help you take the actions necessary to actually do it. After automating your savings, increasing it incrementally, banking your bonuses, naming your savings account, making access to your funds difficult, and going through a savings competition, now you need to create that image of yourself achieving it. If you do that, then it is gonna be achieved. Try the 7 tips and tricks I've shared, for they can substantially change your savings journey. And remember, whatever works for you, you better just try it, because our psychology works differently, and our ultimate goal is to gain financial freedom through saving more. Like this video, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.